Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix low network signal problems on your Android phone. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Select the correct network mode. Open the settings on your device. Now go to SIM and network settings. Tap on your mobile network. Now find and tap preferred network type. Try switching between 4G, 5G or 3G depending on your coverage. Sometimes using 3G gives better call stability. After that, open the control center, turn airplane mode on, wait for about 10 seconds and then turn it off. This will reconnect your phone to the nearest call tower and refresh your network. Method 2. Reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap System. Select Reset Phone or Reset options. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm by tapping Reset and enter phone lock if required. Now go back to the home screen and restart your phone. Don't worry, this will only reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile settings. None of your personal data will be deleted. So guys, by following these simple methods, you should be able to fix most signal problems on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.